In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell an ebook or a digital download on Squarespace. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just starting your digital product business, I'll guide you through each step, making the process smooth and straightforward. First, head over to your Squarespace homepage, which is the central hub for managing all aspects of your website. Once you're there, locate the search bar. It's usually positioned at the top of the dashboard. Simply click on it to activate a search field where you can refine your exploration. In the search field, type in the word product. By doing this, you're essentially filtering the system to pull up all relevant options related to managing products on your site. Next, look for the option labeled Products and click on it. This will direct you to your product management area, a place where all your digital and physical products live, providing a comprehensive view of what you're selling. The next step is to add a new item, so go ahead and click on the ADD Product button. You will see several choices, but since we're focusing on digital downloads, click on Download. This option is specifically designed for selling digital goods like ebooks, music files, or any other downloadable items you plan on offering. Now that we're set up to add our digital product, let's talk specifics. Start by typing in your product name. This is the title your customers will see, so make sure it's clear and enticing. Follow this by adding a description of the product. Provide enough detail to make it appealing and informative. Think of what your audience needs to know or what might entice them to make a purchase. With your product's text information set up, it's time to add some visuals. Click on Add Image to upload a cover or any other image that complements your product. Visuals are key in setting the first impression, so choose an image that is both high quality and representative of your product. Don't forget to set up your inventory. Although this is a digital download, managing inventory helps in tracking how many files you've sold, which is particularly beneficial for keeping an eye on your sales performance. Once this is configured, you're on the final step, publishing your product. Hit the Publish button to make your product live on your site, ready to be discovered and purchased by customers. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully uploaded your ebook or digital download to Squarespace. Now visitors can find and purchase your product directly from your site. Remember, a well-set-up product page can significantly impact sales, so take your time to present your content beautifully and clearly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has made the process easier for you. Happy selling!